Hi, thank you for your interest in the secure document developed by X Securitas. You must have received a secure document from someone. In this video I will explain how to open this secure document on Mac. You must have received an attached secure document file and a viewer download link by email. You must first install a dedicated viewer to view secure documents. If a dedicated viewer is already installed, you do not need to reinstall it. First, click the viewer link for Mac in the email to download the file. When the download is finished, click to proceed with the installation. Click the Open button to proceed with the installation. Secure Doc Reader requires Java 8. If Java 8 is not installed on your Mac, proceed to the Java installation step. Click the More Info button to proceed with the Java installation. Click on the Agree and Start Free Download button to continue Java installation. When the JREDMG file for Java installation is downloaded, run it. If this window appears during Java installation, double-click the icon. Click the Open button to proceed with the installation. Please wait for the Java installation to complete. You only need to run the Java installation once. When you have finished installing Secure Doc Reader, download the secure document received by email. Click the summary.docx.vs PDF file that you downloaded to open. The program is now started. In the username field, type the ID that you received from the sender. Normally, this is your email address. At first, you will not know the password. In this case, after putting the username, click Forgot Password and the password will be sent to your email. If successful, a window appears telling you that the password was sent. If the ID is not an email address or the password retrieval process has failed, ask the sender for the password. Check your email now. You can see that the email related to the password in the inbox. The email has a secure document password. Now enter the ID and password on the login window and click the OK button. This window is displayed when the expiration date or expiration count is set. This window is displayed when there is a notification. Now you can view secure documents. You can also see watermarks in the document, such as the confidential phrase that looks translucent. Depending on the permissions set by the sender, printing may not be possible, and clip copy may not work. The dedicated viewer works on Microsoft Windows, Mac, Android, iPhone and iPad. For Windows, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10 are supported. How is it? Although you are now a secure document recipient, you can use the Secure Doc application to securely deliver documents to others and control documents. Secure your documents with Secure Doc application. Thank you for watching.